I feel like every fall and winter, we all end up living in sweaters, okay? Like no matter how much we shop or reorganize our closet, we always come back to the same few sweaters on repeat. And honestly, I love that, okay? I'm all about wearing what you already have at home and finding new ways to style it. So today's video is gonna be all about sweaters, different types of sweaters, different fabrics, different fit, and most importantly, how to actually style them so that way they feel fresh, they feel intentional, and just a little bit more chic. I'm gonna be talking about sweater and jeans, sweater and leather pants, monochromatic sweater looks, skirts, layering tricks, all of the good stuff, okay? And by the end of this video, you'll have so many different outfit ideas that the sweaters sitting in your drawer are going to feel brand new again. So let's just get right into it. All right, so before we jump into the actual outfits, we need to talk about something that makes a big difference in how your outfits look, and that's the type of sweater that you are wearing. Because not all sweaters give the same vibe, and the second you start paying attention to the style, the fit, and the neckline, you'll start realizing like, oh, okay, this is why my outfit looks off, or this is why this outfit always works. So let's break it down. Starting with one of my personal favorites is turtleneck sweaters. Turtlenecks are like the polished, put together sibling in the sweater family, okay? They just instantly make you look more elevated. Even if you're just wearing them from jeans, they're warm, they layer beautifully under jackets, blazers, even dresses. And for my apple shapes girlies or anyone with wider hips, turtlenecks are amazing because they're gonna draw the eye upward and bring all the attention towards your face. Now, crew necks are the classic, okay? They work on literally every body type and they go with everything. If you only own one sweater, it's usually this one. They're also the easiest to layer with, especially if you're like popping a button up underneath or drawing a jacket over top. This is your can't mess it up sweater. Now, V-necks don't get enough love, okay? If you have a bigger bust or you just want something that's gonna open up your neckline and elongate your upper body, then V-necks are so flattering. Plus, they're perfect if you like accessorizing a dainty necklace or layer chains. Even a simple pendant looks good with a V-neck because you have that open space. Next, we have your off the shoulder sweaters. These are your I want to be cozy but also cute sweaters. They're so feminine and such a fun option for like a date night or anytime you just want to soften up your outfit. If your fit feels too structured or too simple, showing a little shoulder adds a nice shape and it's going to make the outfit feel a little bit more styled without trying too hard. Now, your crop sweaters are perfect if you love high-waisted bottoms, so your jeans, your trousers, your skirts, whatever, okay? They hit at the perfect spot and define your waist without having to tuck anything in. They're also great for apple shapes and petites because they're not overwhelming and they can actually help create shape instead of trying to hide it. Now, your oversized sweaters, these are the cozy queens. Oversized sweaters give that effortless, slightly undone look that feels very fall and winter. But because they have more fabric, balance is key, okay? You're gonna pair them with slimmer bottoms or do a half tuck or choose something with a little bit of structure. That's what's gonna keep your outfit from looking like you rolled straight out of bed, even if you kind of did. Now let's talk fabric because the type of knit you choose totally changes the vibe of the outfit. Chunky knits are your cozy girls. They instantly add the texture. They make even the simplest jeans look intentional. If your outfit ever feels a little flat, a chunky knit is the quickest way to add that interest. Then you have your wool and your cashmere. These are your elevated, your drapey, I put effort in but actually didn't sweaters, okay? They lay beautifully on the body and instantly make your outfit feel a little bit more polished. Now, cotton knits are great for those in-between days when it's technically fall or winter but still a little bit warm out. They're breathable, they're lightweight, and they're perfect for layering without overheating. And then we have the blends, okay? This is where your sweater is gonna get some structures. Blend help the sweater hold its shape and they're usually the least fussy. If you ever feel like a sweater is swallowing you, a structured blend may be what you need. Overall, fabric completely shifts the mood of the outfit, okay? Chunky knits feel cozy and texture, while cashmere is going to feel soft and elevated, and cotton is going to feel clean and minimal. Even the knit style, ribbed versus cable versus waffle knit, it adds its own personality, so don't be afraid to let the fabric work for you. All right, so now let's get into the outfits, okay? Starting with the outfit that we all wear on repeat, okay? This is a sweater and jeans. This is the I have 5 minutes to get ready, but I want to still look like I tried outfit. And honestly, it works with any sweater style. Crew neck, cropped, chunky, you know, turtleneck, whatever you already have in your closet. The key here is just elevating it, okay? If you ever feel like this combo looks a little too simple, Here are a couple quick fixes. First off, think about the shoes that you're wearing, okay? Boots give off that polished fall vibe, while loafers make the outfit feel clean and classic, and sneakers are gonna give that laid back and relaxed look. Next is add a belt, okay? It instantly makes the outfit look a little bit more intentional, and it's gonna add that structure to something that could feel a little basic. You can also do a little half tuck. It's gonna create shape, especially if your sweater is oversized, and it's gonna make your proportions look more flattering. And then of course, finish it off with a cute structured bag. That one detail is going to pull everything together, and it's going to make the outfit look a little bit more planned and not like you just threw something on. Now this combo is perfect for your coffee runs, your casual Fridays, your errands, all of the everyday things where you just want to look put together but you want zero effort. And some quick body type notes is if you want longer looking legs in a crop sweater or like a turtleneck, it's going to bring the eye upward and it's going to really help elongate your shape. And if you're wearing an oversized sweater, then pair it with some slimmer jeans to keep the outfit balanced and not too heavy. It's super simple, it's super wearable, and honestly it's probably the outfit that you're going to reach for the most. Next is one of my favorite ways to look instantly chic with zero extra effort, and that is a sweater paired with leather pants. Now this combo is going to work every single time, okay, because of that texture contrast. You've got that soft, cozy top against the sleek, structured bottom, and it just looks elevated without even trying. This is another one that again you can style with any sweater you already own. A fitted sweater is going to make the outfit feel more clean and streamlined, while a chunky knit is going to add this cool, effortless vibe. Both work, they're just going to give off, you know, a different mood. And for shoes, think about what you want the outfit to say. Heeled boots is going to make the look feel edgy and polished, perfect for nights out or when you just want that extra little confidence boost. Sneakers are going to make it feel casual looks, still stylish, just a little bit more relaxed and easygoing. And with this outfit, I love keeping the jewelry minimals, little gold hoops, a simple bracelet. It keeps the whole look feeling expensive and intentional. And this is such a good outfit for date nights, dinner with friends, or even casual work events. It's stylish, it's comfortable, and it looks like you spent more time getting ready than you actually did. And that's my favorite type of outfit. And like I said earlier, the reason it works is simple, okay? It's that soft texture on top plus a sleek bottom, and it just creates a beautifully balanced outfit. It's that mix that makes it feel elevated without being over the top. Okay, so another way to look expensive with zero effort is to go monochromatic, okay? A matching sweater and bottom in the same color is one of the easiest styling tricks ever, and it works with literally any palette, okay? All black, all cream, all brown, all gray, all burgundy, you know, whatever you already have in your closet is fair game. The key to making the monochrome look intentional and not flat is the texture, okay? If your sweater is soft and fuzzy, then pair it with something structured or smooth on the bottom. If you're wearing a chunky knit, then try mixing it with a sleek pant or a flowy skirt. The texture contrast keeps the outfit visually interesting while staying super clean. And your accessories can stay within the same tone to keep the look elevated. So think a tote bag with a camel outfit or a black belt with your black jeans. It kind of creates this cohesive, streamlined vibe that just looks polished and it just works. And this outfit works for so many occasions: your business casual days at work, brunch, travel days, or anytime you just want to be comfortable but still look put together, or even cozy days where you at home and you just want to look cute. And the best part is that monochrome is incredibly flattering, okay? Wearing a single color from top to bottom visually lengthens your body, which makes it such a great option for all body types. It's minimal, it's chic, and it never fails. Next up is one of my favorite feminine but still easy combos, and this is just a sweater paired with a skirt. This outfit works for so many different vibes, so many different textures, which is perfect if you live somewhere where the weather can't make up its mind, which I feel like is a lot of places. And honestly, any skirt length is going to work, okay? If you want something flowy, then you can pair a chunky sweater with like a satin midi skirt. The contrast between that heavy knit and the soft silky fabric always looks elevated and just more intentional. If you want something a little bit more structured, then a fitted turtleneck paired with like a pleated skirt is such a clean, polished look, especially for work or for dinners. And then if you're into a more playful feel, then you can go for an oversized crew neck with a mini skirt and some boots. It's fun, it's balanced, and it gives that effortless, cozy, cute vibe. Plus, you can totally adjust this outfit for the weather. You can add tights, you can add leggings, or even over the knee boots to keep it warm without sacrificing that style. And this is another combo that works for so many occasions: dinner, casual office days, holiday events, even weekend outings. It's a kind of outfit that feels dressed up, but it's still totally wearable. Okay, the next outfit is an easy way to make your basic sweater look instantly put together, and that is layering it over a button up. This is a classic, effortless academic look. It's clean, it's polished, but it's still super wearable. This combo works best with crew neck sweaters or lighter knits, just so that way the layers sit smoothly and you don't get any unnecessary bulk. The key is to let the details show. Let the collar peek out, let the cuffs pop out on the wrist, even let a little bit of the hem show if the proportions look right. These little touches is gonna make the outfit feel more intentional instead of accidental. And then for styling, you can dress it down with jeans for casual day, or elevate the whole thing with trousers for like a smart casual vibe. Either one works. It really just depends on, you know, what your day looks, what your vibe is for the day. And this outfit is perfect for offices, classrooms, coffee shops, anywhere where you want to look polished but not too formal. And it works because layering adds dimension, and anytime you add dimension, you automatically are going to look more styled. This is another combo that's simple, that's chic, and honestly most of us already have these pieces in our wardrobe, so it's a simple combo to put together. Alrighty, so the last outfit is a sweater paired with satin pants. This is one of those outfits that just looks like you really tried, but again, it's another one that's taking zero effort. It's just a sweater and satin pants. Simple, okay? But it's that perfect mix of soft and shiny. It is such a chef's kiss moment, okay? What makes this pairing so good is the contrast. You've got that cozy matte texture of the sweater on top, then you got that smooth, slightly shiny satin on the bottom. It just instantly looks more elevated without feeling, you know, too dressy or uncomfortable. And you can go a couple different directions with this one. If you want a minimal clean look, then you can pair your satin pants with a neutral sweater, so you know, your creams, your black, your camel. And if you're someone who loves a pop, this is a perfect moment for a bold sweater to contrast the sheen of the pants. Color blocking looks really, really chic with satin. And then for shoes, you can keep it simple. Minimal heels if you want to elevate the outfit for an evening, or sleek flats for like a really modern polished daytime look. This is a great outfit for date nights, for holiday parties, for dinners, or even those days where you just want to look super elevated but still be super comfortable. And a quick note for body type, satin is flowy and draping, so pairing it with a sweater that has a little bit more structure is going to help balance everything out. A chunkier knit or a sweater with a defined shoulder keeps the look flattering and intentional. And this combo is perfect for those people who love the look of a sweater and satin skirt, but maybe you're not a skirt girl, so you could just get you some satin pants and still get the look, okay? It's chic, it's comfortable, and it's just one of those combos that you can go back to over and over again. Alrighty guys, so that's a wrap on all the sweater styling ideas, okay? I hope this gave you some fresh inspiration and reminded you that you don't need a whole new wardrobe to look put together. Sometimes it's all about pairing what you already have in new ways. And sometimes we don't necessarily feel like we need a whole new wardrobe, but we may be feeling like our wardrobe is just missing that wow factor and that wow thing. And you're not always missing that wow thing. It could be a simple sweater, like maybe all your sweaters are crew necks and maybe you just need to add a different variation of sweater. Try a turtleneck sweater, try an off the shoulder sweater, try a different fabric of sweater. It could be something so simple as just getting different styles of sweaters that your closet is missing, and not necessarily this brand new wow factor type of thing, okay? And if you want even more help getting dressed without the daily stress, okay, I have a service, your everyday lookbook. It's a 30-day outfit plan built around your actual real life and your actual closet, okay? You get 30 fully styled outfits and mix and match cheat sheets, so that way you can create even more combinations and simple formulas that just make getting dressed quick and effortless. There are even optional shoppable links if you're trying to fill in any gaps. It's basically your nothing to wear problem solved for the whole month, okay? I'll leave the link down below in the description box if you are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hype this video up, subscribe for even more effortless styling tips, and definitely check out some of my other videos. I have a couple other outfit ideas, fall and winter outfit ideas. I'll have linked in the description box, so if you want to check those out if you have not already. If you have any ideas for any other styling type of videos, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.